Hello CA final and CA inter students. I wish you all the very best for your exams starting from tomorrow onwards. From tomorrow, many students will get this type of feeling. Today ICI will give tough question paper. Okay, that is very common. Whenever you get that feeling, tough question paper, please remember the question paper will come for 114 marks including choice. Out of 114 marks, at least 50 to 65 marks will come from the concepts which you already know. So, after you receive the question paper, in the next 15 minutes, you have time to read the question paper. Find out those questions which you already know. Okay. Generally, our human mindset is whenever we see any question which we do not know, we feel the question paper is tough. Okay. Don't focus on the questions which you do not know. Go through entire question paper. After going through entire question paper, find those questions which you already know. Are you able to understand? Don't focus on the questions which you do not know. Now, after going through entire question paper, like if it is descriptive, at least 50% to 65% of the questions you already know. So out of those questions, the question which you are super confident, write that question first. Whatever the questions that you already know, write those questions, and at last those questions which you do not know, try to attempt them. Okay, so please remember, even though question paper is super tough, at least worst case 40 to 50 marks, 40 to 50% of the marks will definitely come from the concepts which you already know. First, if you write all those questions which you do not know, if you think you will get some points with regard to those questions, you can write those questions as well. Okay, so roughly you can attempt for at least 65 to 70% of the question paper. Please don't think that if you attempt for 100% then only you will pass. No, not like that. In CA exams, quality is more important than quantity. So whatever the concepts that you know, write them perfectly. You are going to score very good marks. Okay, thank you very much. All the very best. Write well. Okay, my prayers are with you. Okay, thank you.